Hang on. You want to get petted? You want to get petted? Mm-hmm. Such a good girl. Such a good girl.
Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and I am thankful today for a beautiful sunny day. You know what? After the last several weeks and yesterday, I am very grateful that we got a nice sunny day, and the rest of this week on into next week on Sunday, it is supposed to actually almost turn into an Indian summer, I think. They're calling for 72 next Sunday and sunny with less than 10% chance of rain. So I'll take that. But today I wanted to not only be thankful for the nice weather, but I wanted to be thankful for protection. I was thinking about, when Jessica and I first got married, she hadn't had a very good relationship with her mom and dad for quite a while, and they said that they were going to come down for Christmas. Well, they did come down, but they got lost. And this was back before cell phones were really super popular, and you could buy them at any five and dime place and get a $10 card and all of that kind of stuff. And they came down the night before Christmas or the day before Christmas, and they ended up missing their turn. They ended up clear down in Gary, Indiana, which is about an hour south of us. They got so discouraged they turned around and drove back home without ever stopping to see if they could use somebody's phone, call collect, or find a payphone or anything like that. They just got discouraged and they drove all the way back home. Well, I felt really bad about it because at that point in time, Jessica was thinking, well, they just didn't want to be with us on Christmas. And they don't really love me. So she had, that was the frame of mind that she was in. And I thought about it, and I woke up at, I think it was 4:30 in the morning. We were up till almost midnight, but I woke up at 4:30 the next morning, and I said, well, Lord, if you want me to go up there and get them, you just keep opening the doors. I'll start driving. And I drove up there, and I don't know, it was probably a little less than 3 hours, and I got north of Muskegon, and it was still dark outside, and I was doing about, it wasn't the speed limit. I was doing well over the speed limit at that point in time. But I came around this corner, this curve in the road, and when I came around the corner, I went flying by a buck, and I got the distinct impression that he had just moved over from the lane that I was in over into the next lane over. And I don't know about you guys, but I knew that I was protected that day. I knew that God had been watching out for me, and had been taking care of me and his animals. And that was, what was going through my mind today. I'm just grateful for God's protection. There isn't always times when you know specifically that God has protected you, but there are some of those times when you do know, and that was one of them. You got any stories like that? Let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it if it was something that gave you something to think about and you'd like to share it with somebody else. And hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. There is a TubeBuddy link in the description box below. So if you would like the TubeBuddy tool, it's a free tool. It's a free download. Just click on that link and head on over to TubeBuddy. They'll take care of you. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.